I'm Brooke Lark, ambassador to GoodCook, and this is how to make 3 mini holiday pies in one oversized pan. What is your favorite holiday pie? In our family, we have 3 that are perpetual contenders for the best of. Pumpkin, pecan, and apple, which means that I have to do a ton of baking if everybody gets their favorite pie. Except this year, we're gonna go ahead and hack that by making little 1-bite pies in a mini muffin tin, all 3 flavors. Let me show you how to do it. This recipe starts in the GoodCook oversized mini muffin pan. I love this because there are so many muffin tins. It fits right into your oven so you can maximize the amount that you can bake in a single batch. I'll start by spraying with a nonstick baking spray. I really like nonstick baking spray because it already has the flour added, so it makes everything extra nonstick. Next, I'm going to unroll some refrigerated pie crust, and using these adorable Sweet Creations nesting cutters, I'm going to use the scalloped side, although there is a round side as well, to slice this pie crust into little rounds. Time to make the filling. Our first pie is Grandma's pumpkin pie with a cream cheese twist. You're gonna love this. It bakes into truffly little pumpkin pie bites, and it's so easy. Start by adding pumpkin puree, cream cheese, brown sugar, an egg, pumpkin pie spice, and then mix it all together until smooth. That one's done. Now time for pecan pie. All right, melted butter, brown sugar, dark corn syrup, vanilla of course, and 2 eggs, and some crushed pecans. Last up, apple pie. We're gonna start this with pre-made apple pie filling, but then top it with a graham cracker streusel. For the streusel, you'll need crushed graham crackers, a little bit of brown sugar, flour, and melted butter. Quick mix until it's all crumbly. Our fillings are ready. It's time to scoop. And there we have it, 3 pies ready to bake, all in one amazing pan. Bake at 350 degrees. And look at that. It is an entire pan of all of the pie favorites. I cannot wait to scoop these little things up, set them on pretty party plates, and serve them to the family.